to show you how to make pumpkin crumble. It's one of my favorite desserts to make in the fall, and it's so easy to make. We're going to start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. This is 29 ounces of pumpkin. 12 ounces of evaporated milk, add 1 cup of sugar, mix in 3 eggs, add 1 teaspoon of salt, add 4 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, whisk everything together, pour the mixture in a 9 by 13 baking dish. Melt 1 cup of butter in the microwave. Pour the cake mix over the top. And now we're going to take the 1 cup of melted butter and pour it over the cake mix. I had some pecan pieces in my pantry, so I just decided to add a little bit on the top. And I'm also going to add a little more cinnamon. Okay, this is ready to go into the oven. We're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes.